Welcome to TECHi, where future tech meets real-world transformation. Today, we're diving into how Edge AI and 5G are revolutionizing predictive maintenance and saving industries millions 1 millisecond at a time. Imagine running a 24/7 factory and suddenly a machine fails. Every second costs thousands. That's where predictive maintenance steps in, detecting problems before they cause chaos. It's not just a good idea, it's becoming essential. Traditional systems can't keep up, but with Edge AI, data is processed locally, right at the source, and with 5G, it's sent across the network in milliseconds. No lag, no cloud delays, just instant response. Let's break down this powerful combo. Edge AI runs on machines, drones, and sensors, analyzing real-time data on the spot. 5G delivers ultra-fast speeds and ultra-low latency, enabling precise decisions in seconds, or less. In Germany, industry giants like Siemens and BMW use Edge AI and 5G to maintain synchronization across robotic arms and sensors down to milliseconds. They're not chasing trends, they're avoiding breakdowns before they happen. Real-world applications? Let's explore. Wind turbines in the US, Germany, and Denmark use edge sensors to monitor wind speed and blade strain in real time. One quick AI-triggered pause can save millions in damage. In Singapore and Amsterdam, smart fleets detect engine heat and road conditions, instantly alerting managers or rerouting traffic with 5G-powered decisions. Smart factories in South Korea, Japan, and Germany use Edge AI to prevent overheating, ensure product quality, and stop robotic strain before it happens. Cities like Singapore and Pune use edge sensors in power grids and water lines, auto-redirecting flow before major damage can occur. Meanwhile, Australia's wildfire response now operates in milliseconds. Emergency services in California, Canada, and Spain use Edge Tech to detect gas leaks, track vitals, and monitor crowds, all in real time. But it's not all smooth sailing. The cost of edge infrastructure is high, and privacy concerns loom large. Countries like Germany are pioneering zero-trust edge frameworks to stay secure and compliant. Still, the future looks bright. Devices will get smaller, private 5G will become mainstream, Edge AI will learn on the go. From smart cities to smarter farms, this tech is reshaping the world. Industries that adopt Edge AI and 5G aren't just modern, they're prepared. Because in this age, milliseconds save millions. This is TECHi, keeping you ahead of the curve. Tap like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so TECHi keeps showing up in your feed.